Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly weather discussion by India Meteorological Department. I am Monica Sharma, Scientist E, Cyclone Warning Division. I will be discussing with you the weather realized during the last week and the forecast for next 2 weeks. If you consider last week, first time in the season, two major wet spells accompanied with thunderstorms, gusty winds and hailstorms occurred across northwest India, including over Delhi, due to two successive active western disturbances during 22nd to 24th and another during 26th to 28th January. On 23rd January in Jammu and Kashmir, snowfall and strong winds disrupted power, damaged homes. Shopian logged 55 cm snow, Gulmarg 45 cm, Pahalgam 15 cm. And with respect to Delhi, it recorded 19.3 mm rainfall on 23rd January and steep fall in day temperature by 11 degrees Celsius. This is about the realized cold wave and cold days during the week 22nd to 28th January. So maximum temperatures were appreciably markedly below normal by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over many parts of north, northwest and adjoining central India on many days. And if you consider the minimum temperatures, they were above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over many parts of northwest and adjoining central and east India. Regarding the cold wave situation, cold wave to severe cold wave conditions prevailed over Punjab and Himachal Pradesh on 22nd, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, West and East Rajasthan on 25th and 26th. Cold day to severe cold day conditions prevailed over Himachal Pradesh on 25th, 27th and 28th and Haryana on 25th, West Rajasthan on 26th. There was very heavy snowfall at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir on 24th January and heavy snowfall at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir region on 23rd January, Uttarakhand on 24th January, Himachal Pradesh on 24th and 28th January. Heavy rainfall at isolated places occurred over Punjab, West Uttar Pradesh on 24th January and Madhya Pradesh on 28th January. The fog activity remained subdued across North India due to quick successive movements of two active western disturbances across the region followed by windy conditions. However, there was isolated dense to very dense fog over Jammu, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, East Rajasthan, Odisha and northeastern states on many days during 26th to 28th January. Let us see the rainfall realized during the last week. So the actual rainfall during 22nd to 28th January countrywide was 9.8, which was against the normal of 4.6 millimeter, and it was 113% above normal. Excess rainfall was realized during last week. Let us see the figure on the right that shows the seasonal rainfall during 1st to 28th January. The actual rainfall was 11.7 mm against the normal of 15.2 mm and the departure was minus 23%. The excess rainfall during the week 22nd to 28th compensated the large deficit of the season over northwest India. Let us see the weather systems and associated weather during the coming week 29th January to 4th February, and we are expecting a fresh western disturbance is seen as a cyclonic circulation over northeast Iran in mid-tropospheric levels. An upper air cyclonic circulation lies over northeast Assam in lower tropospheric levels, and there is an upper air cyclonic circulation over southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining South Kerala coast. Another fresh western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from 2nd February, and there is also likelihood of strengthening of easterlies over South Andaman Sea and Southeast Bay of Bengal initially, and then over Southwest Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mannar and Comorin area during the later part of week 1 and beginning of week 2. So this is the forecast for the next 7 days. For 29th and 30th January, we are expecting cold wave conditions over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Punjab. Ground frost is likely at isolated places over Uttarakhand. Dense to very dense fog is likely over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Punjab and West Uttar Pradesh. Dense fog is likely over Bihar, Chhattisgarh, East Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, Uttarakhand and West Madhya Pradesh. Accordingly, you can see that orange colored warnings have been issued for the areas like the Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Punjab, West Uttar Pradesh, etc. And yellow colored warnings have been issued for Bihar, Chhattisgarh, then Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, Uttarakhand and West Madhya Pradesh. And for 31st of January, if you see, we are expecting thunderstorm accompanied with lightning and gusty winds over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad. Thunderstorm with lightning is likely at isolated places over Rajasthan. Dense fog is very likely at isolated places over Uttar Pradesh. Accordingly, yellow colored advisory has been issued for these places on 31st of January. On 1st of February, we are expecting thunderstorm accompanied with lightning and gusty winds over Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir region, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Punjab. Thunderstorm accompanied with lightning is likely at isolated places over Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, and yellow colored warning has been issued for all these places on 1st of February. On 2nd of February, yellow colored warning has been issued in association with the thunderstorm and lightning and gusty winds activity over Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan region. And on 3rd of February, gradually the weather will improve and yellow colored warning in association with the thunderstorm accompanied with lightning has been issued over East Rajasthan. Let us see the extended range forecast of rainfall during next 2 weeks. If you consider the map on the left, light to moderate rainfall at isolated places is likely over Kashmir and over the northeastern states, particularly over Assam during week 1 and over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh during week 2. The right hand side map shows the rainfall anomaly, and we are expecting below normal rainfall activity over northern and northeastern parts of the country during both the weeks. This is the extended range forecast of minimum and maximum temperature anomaly. The left hand side map is the minimum temperature anomaly, and it indicates below average minimum temperature over most parts of the country and slightly above temperature over Kashmir, Gilgit, Baltistan, then Gujarat, West Rajasthan, Assam and Meghalaya during both the weeks. Regarding the maximum temperatures, the anomaly maps indicate below normal temperatures over most parts of the country during both the weeks countrywide, except over northern parts of the country, Kashmir, Gilgit, Baltistan, Himachal Pradesh, then over Odisha, North Andhra Pradesh and northeastern states including Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, etc. Regarding the extended range forecast for cold wave during next 2 weeks, countrywide cold wave conditions are unlikely over any part of the country during both the weeks. However, above normal minimum temperatures are likely over major parts of North India and Northeast India and Madhya Maharashtra, Vidarbha region, and below normal minimum temperatures are likely over Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand during both the weeks. And this is the forecast of cyclogenesis during next 2 weeks. We are not expecting any cyclogenesis over the North Indian Ocean, including the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea during the entire forecast period. However, there is likelihood of strengthening of easterlies over South South Andaman Sea and Southeast Bay of Bengal initially, and then over Southwest Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mannar and Comorin area during later part of week 1 and beginning of week 2. It will lead to rainfall activity over Southwest Bay of Bengal during later part of week 1 and over Comorin area and Gulf of Mannar during beginning of week 2. Thank you. We request you to stay tuned to the advisories issued by India Meteorological Department, and all these advisories and bulletins are also available on various websites and on various channels like the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blogs and various apps. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy.